Third year. Clap your hands. A round of applause, please. Ask Geraldine. Ask Geraldine. Who do you think is our champion for this one? Palikhaing baguhin. Is it first year? Is it second year? First year! First year, please. Sige daw, first year! Year! Ang third year, kay tayo na lang siya. Charot. And the champion for the Palikhaing baguhin goes to our first year! Our champion. Second year, naman. Still, a good job, everyone.
Ang duha. Ay, picture tayo ba na niya? Kapag talaga nag-participate. Picture tayo na nag-participate. Dapat sa phone.
Okay, thank you, our champion. Uy, napay-record yan, correction tape. Charot lang.